We are gonna start by having our origami paper right side up. And we're going to take this edge on the right and fold it over to the left. Now we're gonna take the top edge and we are going to fold it down to this left edge. So we're going to fold it diagonally like this. So there's a point up on the top, and then we're going to do the same thing, fold it down the middle, and then now to the edges. Now we will open that up and we're going to do the same thing, but on the other side. We will take this corner and fold it down to the left or to the right side. Make sure that it's lined up in the point at the top and fold it down the middle, and then out to the edges. Now we're going to fold. We're going to take our fingers on the sides like this, and we're going to pinch them towards the middle like that, and then scratch the top down. It will make a triangle very dull. Now let's make the front legs. We're going to take this top corner right here at the top flap, and we're gonna fold it like that. We're going to repeat the same thing on the left side. So we're going to take it like this and fold it up, and we want to look like it's matching. We're going to fold it like that and then press it down. Now we got our two front legs. Let's make the back legs. First step is we are going to take the bottom edge and fold it up to the middle bottom of the triangle, like that, in the middle, and out to the corners. Then we're going to take this right side and we're going to fold it to the middle. So we will take it like this. Now we're going to take this bottom edge and we're gonna fold it like that, and then crease it. Now we're gonna repeat the same step on the other side. So I'm going to take the front legs and fold them down like that. We're going to flip it around and we're gonna do the same thing down here. We're going to fold it up to the middle so it matches on both sides, and fold it. Now the front legs, let's fold them back down. One on each side like that, and we can put it right back to where we had it. We took each side and we folded into the middle like that. Now we're gonna take this bottom edge right here and we're gonna fold it up to the middle. Now we're going to take each corner on this little flap and fold it down to the middle. We are going to fold this corner down like this. We're gonna do the same thing on the left. The next step is we're going to take this inside edge right here and we're gonna fold it like that. Alright, we got his back legs, but now we need to make the jumper part. We're going to take the bottom part and fold it up like that. We're going to take that edge right here. We're going to fold it down to this edge. So we're going to fold this in half. Now that we have so much paper in there, we're going to fold it down. Then you want to squish it. And that's it. We finally have our jumping frog. Hope you like it.